Want to download or save WhatsApp voice messages on your phone or computer? In this video, I'll show you how to download voice notes on both iPhone and Android, including a one-click method to export all voice messages at once. On iPhone, the simplest way is to save the voice message directly. Just long press the voice message and tap Forward, Share, Save to Files, Save. You can also download all voice messages in a chat via Export Chat feature. Tap the profile icon. Export chat, attach media. Save to files, save. Then open Files to check saved WhatsApp voice messages. You can also unzip the exported chat to see all voice messages in a chat. If you need to download all WhatsApp voice messages at once, maybe for backup or documentation, a desktop tool like MagFone Chats Transfer can export every voice note in one click. This is much faster than saving messages one by one. Install MagFone Chats Transfer on your computer. Connect your iPhone to your computer. Launch this program, click WhatsApp, Backup feature, unlock your iPhone to be detected. Click Start Backup to back up your WhatsApp data. Wait a moment. Click Done, then click Export feature, view your WhatsApp data. Click Audios, you can see all your WhatsApp audios, tick and export to computer. Open the file to check and listen. On Android, things are even easier. All voice messages are automatically saved in your phone storage. Just open the file manager and go to the path. Internal storage, Android Media, WhatsApp Media, WhatsApp voice notes. Here you'll find all your voice messages in .opus format, sorted by date. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.